Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides two sides in same ratio. That is, if there is a triangle ABC and according to the theorem, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, means if a line is drawn, suppose D is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, D is parallel to BC, intersecting the other two sides, means D intersect AB and AC at point D and E, then these points divide these lines in same ratio, means AD by DB equal AE by EC. We have to show that AD by DB equal AE by EC. Then what is given? A triangle ABC in which line DE parallel BC and intersect the sides AB and AC at point D and E respectively. Now to prove, we have to show that AD by DB A by EC means E by EC. That is, D divides AB and AC in same ratio. Now construction. Join BE and CD and draw EM perpendicular to AD and DN perpendicular to AE. AB or AD both are same, and DN perpendicular to AE. DN perpendicular to AE or AC. Now proof. Since it is 90 degree, since EM is perpendicular to AD, perpendicular to AB, then and EM is height, perpendicular height, EM is perpendicular height for triangle AED, also triangle DEB, because EM is perpendicular to AB. ADE and triangle DEB. Then area triangle ADE, triangle ADE, you know that area equal 1/2 base into height, and 1/2 base, a base of ADE is AD into height, perpendicular height, corresponding height is EM. Area triangle DEB, base is BD, and perpendicular height is EM. And if we divide both these terms, we have AD by BD, because 1/2 cancel out, EM is also cancel out, then we have AD by BD. It is equation 1. Similarly, if we divide area triangle ADE and DEC, we have AE by EC. Area triangle ADE and DEC, then we have AE by EC, because DN is perpendicular to AC, and then it is perpendicular height for triangle ADE and DEC. Triangle ADE by area triangle. Similarly, DEC is equal AD by EC. Now, since triangle BDE and triangle DEC is on the same base, DE, and between parallel line DE and BC, means triangle BDE and DEC on the same base DE and between parallel line DE and BC, means this triangle BDE and CDE एक ही बेस पर बने हैं और पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में बने हैं, इसलिए इनके एरिया इक्वल होंगे. देन area triangle BDE equal area triangle DEC. Its reciprocal is also equal, means 1 by area triangle BDE and 1 by area triangle DEC. Now multiply both sides by area triangle ADE. Triangle ADE, we have area triangle ADE by area triangle BDE. It is second equation. Area triangle ADE by area triangle DEC. Now from first theorem, first equation, ADE upon BDE is equal AD by DB, and ADE by DEC is AD by EC. Therefore point D and E divides the sides AB and AC in same ratio.